Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about an amazing TEDx talk called Study Smarter Not Harder by Kiki Fan. Kiki Fan is a passionate learner and educator who loves helping students discover better way to learn. In her talk, she shares smart ideas about how we can study more effectively, not by doing more, but by doing it right. KK explained that studying for Longhorn does not always mean learning more. Say that's what's really matter is how we study, not how much we study. She share some very useful tips. Break your study materials into small parts. Take short breaks between study sessions. Test yourself often to check what you're really now. Get good sleeps. Your brains need rest to remember things better. She also say that every students learn differently, so instead of comparing yourself with others, find your own best way to learn. KK believe that smart studying means focus, planning, and keeping balance, not get stressed or studying non-stop. For this talk, I learned that success studying does not come from work harder. It comes from studying smarter. When we plan our time, take break, and use good learning method, we remember more and feel less tired. This talk reminded me that learning should be joyful, not stressful. If you like this review, don't forget like, share and comments. So, Allah Hafiz.